most important thing about our work is actually the wood itself, and whatever we do to it, it's always just the wood is the most important part of that, not something we've done to it really. It's called Takahashi McGil. I'm McGil and my wife is Takahashi, so it's our names combined. Well, my dad was a carpenter, so I've always been around wood, I've always liked wood, and I always used to mess around with wood as a kid, banging stuff together with nails. The first time I went to Japan, just being blown away by the wooden houses and temples and furniture, and it's just taken to the next level there, and that's when I realised that I wanted to work with wood. We're both from a fine art background. I studied sculpture at Wimbledon School of Art, and we've always been kind of making stuff, whether it's in wood or something else. Like a lot of the air-dried slabs are local. We get some from Dartmoor, but we also get a lot from Somerset, and the trees may come as far away as Cornwall as well. And then we also use some like kiln-dried stuff. For this table, for instance, the top is made from English walnut, which is air-dried, but the legs are American black walnut, which is kiln-dried, and obviously that's commercial, comes from America. It's almost like the wood dictates to what we make. If we find a lot of nice thick wood, then we will suddenly make a lot of nice pots.
Those things just one of everything special, and then it's natural wood as well. All the bits we like is got not so like crazy grain. That none of the second thing has it.
We combine stuff, so we use chisels that are Japanese chisels, but it does the same job as a Western chisel, if you know what I mean.
We use Japanese tools because better steel, and then some of the Japanese blades got like two different softness. It's actually easier to use. For example, it's a plain called kana, or Western way, and Japanese way is totally different way of using it. We use both. You can just pick and choose for whatever we think it suits for one thing.
Well, you know, this is the best time there's ever been, you know, it's so easy just to set yourself up, you know, just start an Etsy, things like that, and Instagram accounts, you know, and people on the other side of the world can see your work straight away, you know. You have the best of both. You have the woods and the trees and the nature here, but you also have the coast as well, which is a different kind of nature, and we like both of those. We have 2 young kids, and it's such a beautiful place to bring up children, and it's just really inspiring to come to work. You know, sometimes we cycle in and just there's so much green compared to where we used to live that we really appreciate being surrounded by trees and things like that, and it influences our work, I guess.